Okay guys, back with another nail video because I finally decided to do my nails. So I'm going to use the white tips this time. I haven't used them in a long time. I usually like the clear ones a little bit better because they're a little bit more tapered at the end. These ones I kind of have to file, do a little bit more shaping to them. But I'm kind of running out of the clear ones already. So my pinky nail is super tiny, so I kind of have to file both sides to make it fit on top. That's the only one that I have to do that to. So I'm just doing that and then I'm gluing them on, and then I actually got a new e-file to try out. I still absolutely love my old one. I just got this new one to try out. So overall, I feel like it's a little bit more powerful than my other one, which is only $15. And again, I still absolutely love it. It's been working for 3 years and I love it. This one comes with everything. This one I feel it's okay, it's a little more powerful on the lowest setting. So which doesn't really bother me because I don't use it on a very high setting since I'm still new and I don't want to cut myself. So it doesn't really bother me how powerful it is or isn't. So because I just do it on a low setting anyways. I'm cutting my nails here with this $3 little cutter, which I highly recommend. And I've kind of been going more shorter lately. So I'm going to take this brown sanding band and I'm just going to file down where the nail tip meets my actual nail, just so it's kind of smooth, and especially concentrated around the edges. And I'm putting nail primer on now, and then the acrylic that I'm going to use is the nude acrylic, which kind of looks a little bit more pink to me. And then I seen somebody say to use these blue towels, the shop towels. Oh my gosh, they make such a big difference compared to just a regular um, napkin. I highly recommend it. I will link them in the description box below. I think they're only like $3. And then I'm just going to go ahead and try to put my acrylic on. So I'm basically taking a bigger, I guess, bead, and then placing it in the middle, kind of where the nail tip meets, and then I'm just working its way down. And I actually love this little brush that I've been using since the beginning. It now comes in pink. I think that's the only color they have, which I'm a little mad because I would have preferred pink than blue. I kind of want to order it again. It's super cheap. I think it's only like $7, but yeah, it comes in pink now. I really like it because it's really small. Sorry, my voice sounds a little funny today, but then I'm just gonna continue on with the rest of my nails. And again, I don't know what it is about colored acrylic, but it's kind of hard for me, and it always comes out a lot thicker than just regular clear acrylic. So they're looking pretty busted right now, pretty thick, but it's okay. Don't give up. I know it kind of looks crazy when you're doing it, especially if it's lumpy, but it always kind of comes together after I start filing. It takes a little longer, but yeah, it comes together. So I'm just kind of shaping them a little bit. I wanted them a little bit more tapered at the end. And then I'm going to switch to this. Since I didn't know, this is the first time I used this nail e-file, I didn't know how powerful it was going to be, so I was a little scared. So I took this, um, I don't even know what you call it, but this thinner one, and I kind of went around the edges first just to make sure there's no acrylic stuck to my skin, and kind of shape it a little bit before I went in with the regular. I like to use the brown sanding band for this next part to kind of file the rest. So I just kind of went with this one first just to try it out, but I usually just go in with the brown sanding band. And then the nail polishes that I'm going to use actually came from a set. There's two of them. I'm going to first mix the white, well, it's like an off-white color, and this pinkish color, just to make it a little bit lighter so it can kind of match my nail, the nude acrylic. And then I'm just going to mix it. I will link the set, the gel polish set that I used in the description box because I highly recommend this. I've been using it from the very beginning, and I use it for so many so many nail looks. It's called the Bear Collection, I believe. And then I got this gold gel polish. Gold. This stuff is super intense. Again, super affordable also. And I just got it to make like a little gold accent. But whoa, it's super intense. But it works really well. I was really happy with it. And then I just cured it. I cured everything after each line, by the way. I didn't just keep doing it. I cured everything after each color I did. And then I went in with a clear. And I forgot that this e-file actually comes with a lamp, a little light at the bottom. I didn't use it because I completely forgot, but I'm just trying to show you guys that it actually comes with one on it. Also, one thing about the e-file that I wasn't sure, I don't know if it's just one that I got, but it comes with the cord that actually plugs into like the wall. That kept, well, it fell out like about 3 times. So I'm not sure if it's just I got a messed up one, but it kept falling out. But I didn't realize until the second time I used the e-file that it didn't actually you don't need it to be plugged in. I guess that just charges it and then it just stays. So you can take it, I guess. You can take it along with you, which I thought was really cool. I don't know if I ever will need to, but I didn't find that out until the second time that I actually used it. But yeah, that's it. I'm not exactly great at nail art. I'm trying, but I just thought I would post this anyways to give you guys a little bit of inspo. Maybe you guys could do it a little bit better, a little bit cleaner. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.